how to make a tech gadgets online store with Squarespace. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to make a tech gadgets online store on Squarespace. So this platform is well known for its pre-made templates and the easy usable edits. So just click on get started and you will be able to choose from the pre-made templates that exist on the website. So they have here a lot of pre-made templates that save a lot of time and make the process very easy for you. And you can always build your own template from scratch if you want that. But in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can adjust a pre-made template to save time. So here we just wait for templates to be loaded. Here we have if you want to choose by type, if it's an online store, or if we want to choose by topic. So we have here a lot of templates, but let's filter by online store. And let's filter by electronics if we can find that. Art and design, health and beauty, entertainment, food, local business, professional services, real estate, media and podcasts, travel, fitness, nature. So I think our tech products is not a template in the platform. So let's see if we can find something that is close to our niche, and we change it a little bit. So here we have a lot of templates. We have a fashion template also. So we have all kinds of templates. You can just choose from one of them and you would be good to go. So let's see if we can find a template for our niche, which is the tech gadgets. So I think let's just choose an online store that we can adjust. So let's go with this one, but let's scroll up to see if we can find another one. So here this one is very good. As you can see, there are a lot of products. So you can choose this one, which is cross buy, or you can always preview the online store. So here we can see the online store, or we can also view the demo site, which is the full view if you want to see it. But let's just scroll here and see if it suits us. So it's a good template. It will need just a little bit of adjustments and it will be good. So let's click on start with this design and we wait for things to be set up. So just wait a little bit and then you will proceed to adding a title to your site. So you can always change the title of the site in another time, but for now just give it a name from your desire, from your choosing. So I'm going to choose my tiki as a name and then click on continue, then click on next, also next, and get started. And this is our website. We can always add pages from website section. Here you can add pages or delete the ones that already exist in the website. And here you have some utilities like website tools, where you can add your custom CSS code or your code injection and cookies. So let's go back to pages. Here we have the system pages, where we have some pages like the checkout page or the lock screen page, if you want to adjust them also, or the 404 page. And here we have the edit button. So here we can edit our website by just drag and drop, which is a pretty easy process. You just click on edit and you wait for your website to be loaded. So here you can change just by dragging and dropping elements. You can add sections or add blocks, or edit the section, move it down, or remove the section from this remove button. And you can always change the text or change the place of the text by dragging and dropping. You can also change the page. So let's take it to the top, in the middle. So that's it. That's how we want it. And then, so this is how you change it. You can also change the pages. If you click on edit section, you can always change the pages. As you can see, you can change the background, the image in the background, and you can always change the colors. So you can play with these adjustments until you create the online store that you want. And when you're done, you just click on save and all your edits will be saved. So let's exit this page and see this sections. Here we have the marketing section. If you want to add your Facebook pixels or your TikTok pixels for launching AdSense, you just click on marketing, and here you have the email campaigns, SEO appearance, promotional pop-up, announcement bar, and if you want to add your meta pixels and ads, as I said before. So you can change a lot of things in here that are related to your marketing. And if you go to settings, you can set up your checkout or your payment processes just by scrolling down, and here you can have the store payments. So you can change your payment processors or add them if you didn't add them before. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.